GMOs are one of the most controversial areas of science. Genetic engineering is used in many fields, but even though medical applications like GM insulin are widely accepted, the debate heats up when it comes to food and agriculture. Why is that? Why is the same thing treated so differently? Let's try to get to the bottom of this and explore the facts, the fears, and the future of GMOs. Humans have been genetically modifying plants and animals for thousands of years. Maybe a few of your crops had very good yields, maybe one of your wolves was especially loyal. So you did the smart thing and bred the plants and animals that had traits beneficial to you. Traits are just an expression of genes. So with each generation, those genes got more pronounced. After thousands of years, almost every single plant and animal around us is vastly different from its pre-domesticated state. If humans have been changing genes for millennia, what makes a so-called genetically modified organism, or GMO, different? Selective breeding is basically hoping for lucky hits. Genetic engineering eliminates this factor. We can choose the traits we want, make fruit grow bigger, immune to pests, and so on. So why are people concerned about them? Let's start with one of the most common objections to GMOs. Gene flow, meaning GM crops could mix with traditional crops and introduce unwanted...
As was stated, DNA is the source of GMO production. Benefits of GMOs include transgenic animals, such as the transgenic salmon. These animals grew larger than their wild counterparts. This led to more meat being available for human consumption. Golden rice. Golden rice was also created through genetic modification, which led to a rice that was golden in color and produced beta-carotene. Beta-carotene can also be used to combat the vitamin A deficiency in children and prevent blindness. Another benefit would be GMOs increase revenues for businesses through the production of larger quantities of meat, which could save millions in developing countries from starvation. Some GMOs are also insect resistant, which leads to a larger quantity of healthy crops. Cloning is an area of genetic modification, which has led to the production of identical animals with identical traits. It has also led to the development of therapeutic treatments in humans that can be used to combat diseases. Dolly the sheep was the first cloned organism named after Dolly Parton. Here's a slide showing the cloning process. GMOs increase genetic diversity, leading to a wider variety of animals in the environment. Interbreeding with wild species could lead to the destruction of the original organism through the introduction of deleterious genes. Skeptics say no one knows if GMOs are truly safe, and thus we have a right to know what we eat through labeling. This could also be interpreted as a warning sign because scientists say GMO foods are safe, but is it really? You decide. Thanks for watching. And remember, be safe. Stop, think, then act.